Main Street Leakesville is working to rebuild support for businesses in Greene County after local leaders say that effort has been mostly inactive for several years. Organizers say the goal is to connect businesses with resources, workforce support, and each other so they can better respond to local needs. Stephanie McClendon, chair of the Economic Development Committee, says business owners will help shape what comes next.
From what we understand about what their needs are, it's going to be us working together to make those decisions, about what comes next and what's the best solutions for the businesses that are around based on their needs.
Greene County Economic Development Director April Stennant says that support could help fill a gap for small businesses.
There's a true gap when you don't have a chamber for supporting those small businesses in a way that through my role I cannot.
Stennant says her office focuses on larger development efforts, while a chamber can help with day-to-day needs like promotion, networking, and problem solving. Resident Randy Pierce says that kind of support matters in a rural county.
So it's an opportunity for when you're in a rural area like ours to everybody kind of pull the same direction, whether it's the towns, the city, the county, organizations like Main Street Leakesville, to work together to maximize the use of our resources, to elevate local businesses.
Megan Smith, owner of Daisy May Flower Shop, says she hopes the effort helps businesses work together more closely.
To me, small business ownership is kind of like a big family, and so we all need to work together and to make things happen in our little community.
Reporting for the Roy Howard Community Journalism Center, I'm Kristen Kaylor.